Welcome to We to Crooks. We're not just chasing destinations, we're chasing dreams. Join us, a family of 4, in our self-converted short bus as we explore the great outdoors and teach our kids the joy of living life to the fullest. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery, exploration, and inspiration. This is our story. This is our adventure.
So we're stopping to get some groceries and restock, but look at this beautiful parking lot. I told Nick, I was like, we just paid for this campground. It cost $100 for 2 nights. And I was like, we might as well just have stayed in Walmart parking lot. We got all the views. And the sunset over the mountains, gorgeous. Gorgeous. It was getting late and it's daylight savings, so everyone is a little bit cranky because we're all starving. So we're literally in Walmart parking lot making dinner before we go to our campsite. Tomato soup and grilled cheese.
Right.
So good. Food shots. We are very hungry boys. So we finally made it to the campground, but it was closed. Luckily, I was able to call and get a reservation. So we packed. Nick's just finishing up putting the kids to sleep, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna go take a shower. So this is showering. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to shower. And like warm water too. Oh, get geeked with me. Yes, okay, I'm gonna go turn the water on now. That was amazing. I am so relaxed right now. The only thing I forgot was my toothbrush. I don't know, that's the only thing that blows. And I probably won't be able to brush my teeth until the morning, so that kind of sucks. Oh well. That would literally make me feel even like the cherry on top of this feeling is brushing my teeth, but oh well, you do what you can. But oh, my hair is so wet. Oh well. See you tomorrow, guys.
Well, it is officially shower time for me. Bag in hand. Oh man, I forgot my shower shoes. I'm walking back for that. I don't mess around with these floors. So fresh and so clean, clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. All right, back to the bus we go. Dang, you know they're trying to sucker us into some goodies tonight. Me. Yes, yes, yes. I think it's gonna be a low of like 38 tonight. Almost freezing, but still not so bad. Crazy though, we're in Georgia and it still get down to like freezing.
You killed breakfast, baby. So good, we're having breakfast. This place is absolutely gorgeous. There's a little creek over there. You can kind of hear it. Well, not really. When you're over there, you can hear it. Hopefully we can do a little bit of exploring today. At least that's the plan. We'll let you know what we actually do. Hey, what you guys doing up there?
Chilling like villains? Like crooks?
And I think I play one of those cars right there too.
Yeah. I like that.
How's the weather up there?
About 5 degrees cooler.
I said
5 degrees cooler.
5 degrees cooler.
Hello.
You guys are so cute. Me and the boys are on a little bike ride. Nick needed some time to himself. Boys are being very spicy. Probably the time change, who knows. But oh my gosh, this little escape artist. Ah! I don't know, probably the mountains. That's pretty peaceful, huh? Okay, so we're riding our bikes, and I asked one of the guys that works up at the visitor center if they had any like paved bike trails, because one of the campgrounds that I grew up going to, Vogel State Park in Indiana, it has like a beautiful paved bike trail, and it's like the perfect thing, even like for kids. It's like really easy going. And he tells us, like obviously he knows that Rowan's just learning how to bike. We've talked about this, and he sends me to this bike trail, and we go to it, and it's like straight uphill, and I'm like, there is absolutely no way my son, who is learning how to ride his bike, doesn't even know how to use his brakes yet, is going up this mountain. And plus I have Malachi in his buggy, who also lost his shoe, and I'm like, I'm not doing this. So we opted to come to the park, which I think is a good, probably the best alternative before we have to head back to have lunch and bedtime, where I can do some R&R. Maybe we can get the slack line out and play. Nothing can just go smooth. My bike just broke so bad. This whole thing is bent so bad. I went to shift it and it just, I don't even know what happened. It just totally got caught up in my springs, I don't know. Anyways, in my wheel, and bent the heck, and I can't even thing. And Rowan's over here. Maybe we should just go get Dad. Just leave it here. Let's go get Dad. Which is honestly really good advice, buddy. But I just didn't want to keep everything here. So I fixed it enough to walk it back. So that's what we're doing. Sorry.
And we are gonna go back to Dad, and we are gonna tell them that you bike broken.
Go off, Vogel State Park. So good. Bummer we have to leave tomorrow. So a lot of you guys said that Nick needs to be in the videos more, and I totally agree, and we talked about it. I'm learning. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm figuring it out. We are starting to take more videos of us together and everything like that. So yeah, we're just learning a lot. Obviously, I want him in there as well. And just trying to figure out editing and what videos to use and to tell the story and to make it make sense, you know. It's kind of difficult. It's a learning curve for sure, but I am accepting the challenge. So hopefully we'll get a better grasp of it for the future videos, and I'll have a sweet little taste of all of us. So yeah, on with the story.
Just two boys swinging in a hammock, having some fun. What you doing? You taking your socks off? You taking your socks off? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't take your socks off, please. Don't take your socks off. Yo, you know it's cold. Should we put your shoes on so you can get out the hammock and walk around? Ready to go explore a little bit?
You know, I always notice that we do these projects, but we forget to record them. So this is me and Nick trying to troubleshoot our AC. So I should get the tripod. Hold on. How do we rush here?
Is it on?
Yeah.
All right, people. Yes, Malachi, we'll be right there. All right, so round 2 of the shore power not working.
Dude, I don't get it.
We have a 3,000 watt inverter that keeps tripping the 30 amp breaker at the campsites we try to plug it into. We've done some troubleshooting. We talked to our friend David when we stopped in Kentucky, and he gave us some ideas about that, which is on the right note, I'm sure.
but it's
Also,
still tripping.
Still might call you David. We know you're
Yes.
still working.
Yes.
So we're respecting your working hours.
Yeah, we'll call you about 2 hours.
I'm on line with
Renogy.
the company that we have our inverter with, and so I don't know. Even talking to David, I felt like it was like we're not the only people that this is happening to. So hopefully we can figure something out. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. This was a very expensive thing, so I'm really hoping that like something works. Obviously, I don't know. I don't understand why it doesn't. So here we are. Okay, so Nick had to take a video and send to the people at Rhenology, so hopefully they're figuring that out. But in the meantime, me and Rowan are gonna make cookies for the first time. So part of the reason why we would like to do shore power or figure this out is so we can use our oven, microwave, air fryer, all-in-one thing, which actually works really well. So we had the same one, and when we were staying up north remodeling our bus, Nick got a job at the little coffee shop in my hometown, and he took the one that we originally had to the coffee shop and started their whole food basically like sector of their coffee shop with this little oven. And they were like, you know, since we've used yours so much, so we'll just get you a new one. So this is the new one, first time ever using it. We're really excited. So we're gonna make cookies. Sorry, it just beeped. And I don't know what's going on. Batter. Egg. Oh, butter. Egg. Bowl. And I don't have a whisker, so we're gonna use a fork. So, hell yeah, let's get on it.
That means we get over there.
Alright, hold on. I gotta get. Let me set this back. Wow, look at those, dude. Alright, don't touch it. It's gonna be hot.
I want to do that.
Alright, make balls. Maybe put it like this and then just roll it around in circles like that. So go with one hand and go like this around. There you go.
Why is this how you make balls?
This is how you do it. Science.
I did it.
You did it. Heck yeah, buddy. And then also all the money that we're saving.
Yeah, all of the money are safe.
Perfect. Yep, here we go. Amen.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
Boom, baby.
Let's eat.
Eat.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
We got the boys inside the bus right now. Mommy's making coffee, and getting some bagels toasted so we could have some salmon bagels. Are we excited?
Yeah.
Woo!
I want to have some cinnamon bagels.
Woohoo! How exciting. We're reading a book right now about riding bikes.
Yeah.
Which
About water bikes.
Rowan's pretty good at that now.
What are you doing? Trying to make coffee? Wait. What is this? What is that?
Can you go to the refrigerator and grab me the cream?
What cream?
It's in the door. It's white. Good morning, everyone. So, do you want a coffee then?
Hello everyone. Another day, another destiny. We just got camp packed up. We are at the Vogel State Park here in Georgia. We had a great 2-night stay. Yesterday you saw us talking about the inverter and the issues we're having with the shore power. We never figured it out, which is okay. Honestly, we know that it's not working. We're just not going to plan on using it right now until we have some time just to relax, unpack the bus, be somewhere for a really long time, and address the issues then. But before we leave the state park, we are going to do some hiking, check out the putt-putt course, and do some fun things around here. But do you have anything to add?
I don't know, other than just, I really want to know the history behind this place and if I'm related to them. I don't know, I think that'd be really cool. Just to, I don't know, learn some stuff about it. It's an actual, it's so stunning here.
It is beautiful.
It is probably like the prettiest campsite.
I feel like we say that about every campsite we go to. It's the prettiest thing we've ever been to.
Right.
We're turning into Kara and Nate.
Yeah,
but
it's the best thing ever.
It's the best thing ever.
Well, that, and I will say it is the cleanliness, but also there's so many camp hosts here. Like
there are. There's probably about 100 campsites, if I remember correctly. Yeah. And I would say there's at least 5 camp hosts that I've seen.
Yeah.
And we probably haven't even seen them all.
Right. Yeah. 100%. And it's so like dense here too. I don't know. I can't wait to learn about it, honestly, and go on a hike. There's a lot of waterfalls around here that I'm really excited for.
Yeah. So, waterfall tours.
Yeah. Let's go chase waterfalls.
Peace. So the unflattering part about bus life and doing these videos is that you gotta like set up the shots and like it looks really cool, guys, but behind the scenes we're like walking back and forth and driving back and forth a lot.
It's a lot more work.
It's fun.
It is fun. I think in the end, the video looks good.
It does.
But Lord. But I was gonna say, hey, do you have any room in here for another passenger?
Yeah, I think I got room for one more.
Sick. Okay. Let's go. like that of one of the sugar maples, though it is not as sweet. But
What is
I'll
this?
eat some. Looks like maybe you can get in the water from.
Yeah. That's right, that's how you say it. Yay!
Okay, Georgia, go off. I came back because obviously we had to do laundry. We had some errands to do. Laundry's one of them, so I came back to do the laundry. Oh, I just broke my nail the other day. I keep bumping it on everything. It hurts so bad. Okay, now to catch back up with them as fast as I can.
I like your jumping.
Yeah.